Elderline National Helping for Senior Citizen lani ke Elderline call toll free number menya ka khalai tarik una opera aja apuai kala pri pajba ya helpline ka Iarap ya kibla no ka kerta ha ka pala pelong ha conference ho Directorate of Social Welfare la pri do minister ka sarkar jilla uba pej ya ka social welfare uba Kyrmen Shylla aga jingdan rikat ruba sampat kumar IS bat kwe de kane ka helpline ka de ban pej pnia anado ka por nyo beje mestap hado pra beje janmiet pade ban call hauni un number iwe sausan re nyo
You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, from my heart you will always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day.
For senior citizens above 60 years of age who need assistance, be it emergency assistance or non-emergency assistance. The helpline had been initiated and funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, Senior Citizens Division. In this day, the process of setting up the helpline had been initiated, and the tripartite memorandum of understanding between the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, the Government of Meghalaya, Social Welfare Department, and PACE computers had been signed on the 15th January 2021. Operationalization and making the helpline functional had been affected and delayed due to the pandemic and also due to technical difficulties. Finally, after going through many obstacles and hiccups, today we are able to integrate the elder helpline for the benefits of the senior citizens in the state. Indian society, in particular, the tribal society, has always taken pride in the values of uphold, specifically our values related to the care and treatment of the elderly. Elders have always been treated with genuine respect because of their seniority and also because of their knowledge, wisdom, experience, and the struggle that they have gone through. Our society has now transformed from the joint family structure to the nuclear family structure. We now find that a large population of our elderly population are not getting the requisite support, care and treatment they deserve. Therefore, government has come up with numerous scheme programs for the welfare of the senior citizens. In our state, the government has a few programs for the elderly implemented by the Social Welfare Department. Namely, number one, we have granting aid to NGOs working in the field of aged and infirm. Government has been providing funds to an NGO for running one old age home in Shylla. Number two, we have 2 daycare centers for the elderly have been set up in Garo Hills and in East Jati Hills to provide care for the elderly during the daytime when the rest of the family are occupied with their work. Number three, we have the Chief Minister Social Assistance Scheme for the infirm, that is about 60 years old, at this 500 per month is being given to 63,132 infirm in the state till date. Number four, we have medical treatment, a one-time grant for the aged is provided at this 2,200 through the Office of the District Social Welfare Officers. Number five, we have Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana. Schemes provide for free assistance device to senior citizens, walking stick, crutches, hearing aids, spectacles, wheelchairs, and dangerous. 5 districts, that is East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, West Khasi Hills, and Rupang district, and others, we have availed all the schemes. Number 6, we have conducted awareness and sensitization programs through the district officers in coordination with NGOs. We also have bring the International Day for Elderly Person every 1st October in all the districts. The government is also providing various other schemes or programs for the elderly through the Health Department, Community and Synarchic Block Departments, Food and Civil Supply Departments, etc. Realizing the needs of the elderly, the state government will plan to establish old age home in every district of the state in coordination with the NGOs in the next 5 years. I therefore invite viable NGOs to come forward to avail the various schemes available under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the Directorate of Social Welfare may be contacted for any assistance. The department will also provide adequate budget provision in the next financial year for construction of a permanent old age home at Mount Kasian, so as to cater the need for shelter, food, medical requirement of the elderly having no family support.
Everyone, same is the case I was discussing with Dr. Var, Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme. There, it's a kind of universal health insurance program. So we will cover all the elderly, all the senior citizens under the health insurance scheme. So here today, what we are doing is a kind of a helpline. This we have been discussing for last 1 year, trying to setting up this entire system. I think today it has come to a fruition. We are going to launch this one. Through this, what is going to happen is that we are going to leverage the technology, because today this is the age of technology and everyone has to leverage and use the technology. And with this one single helpline, in fact, many of the senior citizens, even if they are living in the remotest part of the state, they can access a lot of guidance and service. They have somebody to talk to them, they have somebody to help them and facilitate whatever the help that is required for the people. I think this is a very, very important intervention that has come. The way we have for farmers, we have 1917. Like now for senior citizens, we have this 4567. It's easy to remember also. Just we need to add 1. After that, 4567. I think it's easy to remember. It's a very good initiative. I'm sure the state, senior citizens would be benefited. And this is I also thank our honorable minister for taking the initiative and also for going to launch this entire intervention for the people of the state. Thank you.